And Trump won. Trump. What a
know.
big surprise, eh?
I'm not surprised.
Really?
I knew it was coming.
Oh my
I
God.
knew it was.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
my God.
I have family there. They said he's good when he's in charge.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's see, fingers crossed.
Yeah. As controversial as he is, but we'll see.
Yeah. So, look, how do you see it? This is the first time here, right? How do you see it?
Yes. It's great. It's a really good event.
How do you see the energy in Dubai and
Yeah.
Gulf
I
food
love
in
it.
general?
I love it in Dubai. Love it in Dubai. Love it here at AITS. It's all good. Love
Excellent,
it.
excellent. Good to know that.
Yeah.
Good to know that. I was really like surprised by number of people coming really from outside the region. That's basically Dubai. You see lots of people coming from outside the Gulf. So it's called Gulfood Manufacturing.
Yeah.
But like you see, like really people
like
coming from Africa, from
everywhere.
Asia, from
Yeah.
Central Asia, people coming from Kazakhstan.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting
Really,
that at
really
all.
interesting,
I
yeah.
wasn't expecting. A couple of people had said to me that we get people from traveling from all over the world here, but yeah, I didn't expect as many. Like you said.
So if you want to choose any other event to launch IC Square, I think it wouldn't be better than that, right?
Couldn't
Do you
have
agree?
this place. No, exactly. The visibility here is
Yeah,
great.
yeah. Good.
So you still okay? So you know, obviously, I'm new here.
Yeah.
I'm in my first month, so I did have some fun to ask. So actually, where did the idea come from? Like, obviously, I know.
You know, I do lots of walking in the jungles back home in Australia, and then I'm always thinking about, okay, we work in the Middle East, in the Gulf. The Gulf is changing, the Gulf is transforming. So how do we change? How do we transform? There's lots of need from customers for different type of offering, different type of value creation. That really, as AITS, we've been working with Aviva as Aviva Select Gulf for the past years. Food and beverage is really growing in the region. The population is growing here. Many people are coming from outside the region to be in Dubai, to be in Saudi, to be in Qatar. There are plenty of government support as well for digitalization. Part of the overall economic and social transformation in the Gulf. So part of the thinking, say, okay, what can we do? There's really good potential in that part of the area. And then what can we do as well to really support our position in Aviva as well. So, in Aviva we've been engaging with customers about the digitalization for factories. Yeah. But going only with that from the technology end, we always said there's something missing. That's going from technology. So, any transformation has different angles. People are at the core of it. Yeah. Transforming business processes is also a core part of it. So how do we do it? And this is where IC Square idea came from. Is that how can we engage with customers in a conversation with different stakeholders to sit with them, discuss what their business objectives are, what the current situation is, the gap, and then drive the plan, drive the solution, and put the roadmap, and take it from there. So basically, banking on our expertise in the region, in our industrial software expertise, and expertise in the knowledge itself, knowledge we have in the manufacturing, especially in F&B, and the transformation happening in the region. All of this combination,
all
IC
made
Square.
sense. Yeah. No, it's so I went to a panel discussion before, and that is one of the things that came out of it. They were like, technology is a big part, but you need so much more
technology is a tool,
that.
right?
Yeah,
like
you need so
just
much
use technology.
more than that.
People think using technology is like a magic wand. I want to increase productivity. Let me install a software, and then second day I'll have productivity improvement. No.
Yeah.
It's a transformation. Transformation includes a human factor.
Yeah.
People tend to resist, so there's a whole change management process in it. There's a transformation that's part of that. It's all part of what we train the customer. We call them champions. Champions to really be part of that change, help people who are resisting, not resist. Especially the passive resistance that is hidden and hard to manage. So this is where we come with our expertise, and we work with leadership teams in factories to really drive this transformation. It's a transformation. It's not just a technology adoption.
No, definitely. And I have to say, from a marketing point of view, how good does the stand look, though?
Nader's magic.
It's
Where
definitely
is
the
Nader?
best
Where's Nader?
stand at the
I don't
event.
know, I can't see him.
I absolutely love it.
He was somewhere.
We've
Nader,
actually had people coming over just taking pictures of the stand, saying,
yeah, exactly.
I want a design like this next
Good.
time.
Now we're
So,
happy.
love it.
Actually, you're also doing a great job in terms like you
Thank
are
you.
taking us to the next step in marketing. I'm really
Thank
happy
you.
for you being here with us. Yeah, so.
I'm so happy to be here. Like I said, I've loved every second since I've been here. Like the whole team, everyone's been so welcoming, and yeah, I love
Happy
it.
to have you always.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
So is there anything else I should be expecting? Like I said, we've just launched an IC Squared. Is there anything
Well,
else
it depends
big for AITS?
how many thousand steps I would have to do in the bush in Australia. But yeah, there are a few ideas we're talking about now. You know, in AITS we're transforming. Like as I said earlier, like we do business as Aviva, Aviva Select Gulf, and Aviva Select Saudi Arabia, which is a software distributor, and then now IC Square that complement that offering. So as the region is changing and transforming, we have to change and transform as a technology. So now we're exploring cloud as an area of interest, a sudden area of interest in the region. If you come to the region a year ago and you say cloud, no, no. Now, why not?
Yeah.
Big cloud companies are investing, Microsoft investing in the region, Google is investing in the region. You have Amazon as well investing in the region. And the government are now becoming more and more ready and able to transform more, to adapt cloud more and more. So coming from an industrial field, and you say connecting industrial data to cloud, there are some constraints, I would say, right? Cybersecurity, etc. So we are discovering that. Unfortunately, we don't have lots of time to discover because things are moving fast. We have to change as well.
Yeah.
Right. And then we're thinking about tapping into another gap we see it in the market currently, which is the skills gap.
Okay.
Yeah. Many people like you coming to the region because the region needs skills coming from outside to fill a gap in the region. So there's plenty of opportunities there, especially in the industrial software side, in the manufacturing IT side, things like that. Lots of customers today, or manufacturers, let me say, to be correct, are not transforming because they don't have people to transform for them. So we see that gap, and we want to kind of try to help fix it. So we're thinking about launching a digital academy.
Wow.
It's just we're not in the inception stage yet even, but we're still in the planning stage. But this is something to be expected from us next year.
Very exciting. I can't wait.
So big job for you in marketing. another thing to launch, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
No. Yeah, no. Like I said, all sounds really exciting.
Excellent.
And let's carry on with the day. We've got another day here tomorrow.
Yep.
Yeah.
Another one.
So, carry on.
Thank you.
Conversations.
Let me see the other guys.
Yes.
Cheers.
I'm going to say thank you.